Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I have this glitter winged eyeliner look for you. The palette I'm using today is the NYX Warm Neutrals. And I'm going to be starting off by using this warm brown orange undertoned colour at the bottom for the crease. And I'm just applying this with the fluffy blending brush, going back and forth and getting the whole entire crease. Next, I'm going to take this matte skin tone colour, and this is going to be for my lid. And I'm just patting this all over the lid to even it out. Now time for eyeliner. So I'm using my favourite Maybelline Gel Eyeliner, and I'm going to be starting off creating an outline of the wing. So I'm going to create a line at the corner from my eye going up to my eyebrow, and then another one to create a triangle shape. But this time we're not going to fill this in like I normally do. And then I'm just going to go along the lash line but leaving a little bit of a gap at the top, all the way down to the tear duct. As you get close to the tear duct area, you will be going more closer to the lash line. This is fine, as long as you keep a gap, a little bit of a gap on the lid and then on the wing. You want to take your time with this and just go in small steps. Time for the glitter, and I'm using the Collection Glam Crystal Dazzle Gel Liner, and I'm going to be filling in that gap that we've left. You can use any type of glitter you want in any colour. I've just chosen a champagne gold. Now I'm just going to line my waterline with some black Kohl pencil. This is one by Rimmel. And I'm going to be doing my top and bottom waterline. And here I'm just taking my gel liner and connecting the bottom and top line together, and then creating a point in the inner corner. Now I'm going to take this mid-tone brown shade, and I'm taking this on a pencil brush and smudging this along my lower lash line, making sure to smudge that Kohl pencil out. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes before I apply my falsies, and I'm just applying some natural false lashes today. I didn't want to use heavy ones because it might overpower the glitter on the liner. And then to finish off, I'm just going to apply some mascara to blend it all together. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe. If you enjoyed watching this, give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!